The 2023 Renault Clio is a perfect blend of functionality and style, presenting itself as a noteworthy contender in the small hatchback market. Embracing a refreshed exterior with new front-end designs featuring a revised grille and headlights, along with updated taillights, it evokes a sense of modern sophistication. The interior of this model year has also seen key enhancements, highlighted by a redesigned dashboard and an upgraded infotainment system, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical utility. This model year Clio offers a versatile powertrain lineup, consisting of a 1-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine, a 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine, and a 1.6-liter hybrid variant. With the hybrid engine, it offers robust power delivery, making an impressive 145 horsepower. The different engine options give potential buyers a range of choices to suit their specific performance needs and fuel economy preferences. The available trims of the Clio are categorized into Expression, Dynamique, and RS line, providing a hierarchy of features and options. The entry-level Expression trim offers air conditioning, a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a rear-view camera as standard. In contrast, the Dynamique trim adds alloy wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and heated front seats, enhancing the comfort and style quotient. The top-of-the-line RS line, the most performance-oriented version, includes features such as sport suspension, 17-inch alloy wheels, and a body kit. Safety takes precedence in the 2023 Clio with numerous active safety features available, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The vehicle's spacious interior provides ample comfort for its occupants. The front seats offer solid support, while the rear seats ensure enough legroom for adults, marking it as a small car with big capabilities. It also boasts impressive cargo space for its class, with the ability to accommodate 19.6 cubic feet of luggage. Additional noteworthy features of the 2023 Clio include a standard 4.2-inch driver information display with an optional upgrade to a 7-inch digital instrument cluster. Its infotainment system offers compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration for enhanced infotainment options. The model also offers front and side parking sensors as an option to complement the standard rear-view camera, making parking maneuvers safer and easier. A suite of driver assistance features like lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking are also part of its arsenal. The 2023 Renault Clio stands as a compelling offering within the small hatchback segment. It successfully integrates various desirable elements like fuel efficiency, performance, a wealth of features, and safety into a stylish and cohesive whole. From the comfort-laden, well-equipped interior to the broad range of performance options to the extensive suite of safety features, the Clio demonstrates strong appeal across multiple areas. Therefore, it represents an attractive option for those seeking a compact vehicle that does not compromise on comprehensive functionality and a fulfilling driving experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.